When you are on the plane, did you notice anything? There are several bright numbers at the entrance of the plane. What are these numbers? These numbers have a close relationship with the direction of the airport. Generally, the direction of the airport needs to be adjusted according to the principle of taking off into the wind, because taking off into the wind makes the plane safer and more controllable. Previous airports adjusted the runway direction in 3 different ways. Thus, no matter which direction the wind was coming from, pilots could find a headwind takeoff. But for Zhangjiagang Airport, the cost of building 3 runways is very high. The solution is to analyze the wind direction throughout the year to find the best direction for building the runway. Thus, the runway only needs to be oriented in one direction to be effective. At this point, the runway number is necessary. The rule for numbering is to divide the compass into 360 degrees, with the vertical direction as 0 degrees, and then calculate the direction towards the vertical using the score of the downward direction, which is the vertical direction of the runway, and then divide by 10, multiply by 5, and the result is the runway number. If it's a single digit, we usually add a 0 at the beginning. Saying it like this might sound a bit confusing. For example, if the runway direction is 315 degrees, multiply by 5 to get 1575, divided by 10 equals 157.5, which rounds to 158. Therefore, the runway number is 158. The same runway can be used in 2 directions. The number can be split according to the runway angle. Since the direction between the 2 sides is 180 degrees, generally, the numbers on the 2 sides will differ by 18. Many large airports have multiple parallel runways. The directions are all the same. Therefore, the runway numbers will also be the same.